gonna buy it.
This is a really cool color combo. That is a cool carbon fiber. That's really cool. I have not seen a carbon fiber weave like this.
So here guys, this is the BMW Master speaking here. So this what we have here is a M2 CS. What that means is it comes with carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber rear diffuser, gold wheels with gold carbon ceramic brakes. It comes with the special seating with the tri-M stitching. It comes with the two-tone seats with the Alcantara and leather, Alcantara dash, Alcantara steering wheel from stock with the red stitching. Of course, you can't forget the red stitching. Carbon fiber here, carbon fiber there. And this whole hood under here is carbon fiber.
Whoa!
Yeah, carbon fiber here, and look, this whole thing is dry carbon.
Yo, that's really not, dude. That's
no, that's aftermarket. Gold wheels with the gold brakes. I think that's just sick.
What is that? Oil filter cap?
Oil filter cap.
Why do you need that billet?
Because it's sick. And the carbon ceramics for M2 is just wow.
Come here. Tight this dude's pants off for this car.
So the reason why this car is in today is because we'll be tinting it. We're also going to be doing a Clearbra on it, and we're also going to be installing a windshield mounted radar. We'll get started on that, but first we're going to be doing the tint.
Is it stock right there?
Is that stock?
What do you mean? The spoon?
Yeah, the spoon.
And just like that, we're done with this quick little project. We Clearbra the carbon fiber front lip on the front end. Since it's so low to the ground, it's bound to get hit up with rocks. All the windows are tinted photosync, including the front windshield. 30% on the sides and the back, 70% on the front windshield. If you want to know why photosync is the absolute best tint in the industry, check out some of our videos on our channel. Highly recommended for summertime. It's undefeated in heat rejection. If you want us to help you out with your new car, getting it prepped for the roads with Tint, Clearbra, or anything else, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below.